let's study the rest of the tense today. So today we are learning past tense and future tense. First, let's start off with the simple past tense. So what will be the structure of simple past tense? It will be first subject, then along with the verb first form, the ya can be added or cannot be. Along with that, in the last, it should end with tha, thi or the. For example, I went to school. मैं स्कूल गया. Okay? So simple we are writing till here. She ate mango. उसने आम खाया. They played cricket. उन्होंने क्रिकेट खेला. Let's now understand past continuous tense. Structure should be subject, then along with the verb ing supporting verb will be added. For example, raha, rahi and rahe. Then it should end with tha, thi or the. I was reading a book. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा था. She was cooking food. वह खाना बना रही थी. They were playing. वह खेल खेल रहे थे. Now let's go on to the past perfect tense. So along the structure of it is first subject will come, then verb, then along with the verb ya or chuka, chuki or chuke will be added and it should end with tha, thi or the. Sometimes liya and kiya word is also being added with the verb. For example, I had finished my work. मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया था. She had gone home. वह घर जा चुकी थी. They had completed the task. उन्होंने काम पूरा कर लिया था. Now let's go to the future tense. The structure will be subject, then verb. Along with the verb ga, gi or ge will come or it may end with unga or ungi. I will go to school. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. Unga is coming in the last. She will cook food. वह खाना बनाएगी. Gi is coming in the last. They will play cricket. वह क्रिकेट खेलेंगे. Now future continuous tense. So the structure will be subject, then the verb. Along with the verb, we may add रहा होगा, रही होगी और रहे होंगे to end the sentence. I will be studying tomorrow. मैं कल पढ़ रहा हूँगा. She will be cooking. वह खाना बना रही होगी. They will be playing. वह खेल रहे होंगे. Now let's go to the last type, which is future perfect tense. So subject will be coming along with verb and it should end with चुका होगा, चुकी होगी और